Jack? Wait, I think he just raped it. No, he didn't.
Yeah, a little bit.
It doesn't matter. It's not really.
Okay.
I'm going to orange. No, Jack, move.
All right.
Jack.
Out of the blue one.
You'll get out of the way if you go down there.
Come here, Jack. Throw his... Don't do that, Jack.
Move, Jack.
Okay. On your mark, get set, go. What's the go?
What?
Go. On your mark, get set.
Okay, ready, set, go.
And I missed all of Duke doing it.
Jack's scared. Jack. Okay, go now before Jack is over here. Ready, set, go. That was an inch away. Yeah, whatever. Ow, that really hurts your body. No, Jack. No! Dad, you were right that way. Hi, Jack. Jack! Get it, Jack! Get it! Sounds like unflated.
That's one for the eye.
Let's try, Dude, watch. Ready? Are you gonna jump me? Dude, let's do a race that way. Do it once. Woo! That's better. We're going to orange though, because this one's all jacked up. Move, Jack. Move. Fingers.
We're going to get wet.
Steak's ready now, so.
Hey, Jack. What are you doing?
Jack.
Jack, come here. Come here, Jack.
Hey.
Get out of the way.
Hey. Oh, got it first. I got it first. Yeah, right.
I have it on tape, I think.
Well, I won. Who got it first?
I don't know. We'll have to redo. Say hi.
Hi. Gonna get you, Jack. I'm gonna get your ball. I'm gonna get your ball. Ow!
It's getting wet.